This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 69 of building the Infinity Gauntlet. This is it, the big one. Not the big one, but a big one. We're getting the two halves of the lower gauntlet together. So yeah, it's going to be quite intriguing, quite interesting, and making things all the bigger. But first, of course, we're going to look through the magazine. We've got the Return of the Titan. You didn't see the Titan the first time, although it was in the film that was not so well received, wasn't it? Can't remember now. Was that a Titan or was that Colossus that appeared in that one? Was that the Eternals? Don't know, but there we go. Read all about that if you like. Yes, this is what we've got. The inner forearm part 10. We've got the other side of the bracket the inner piece that we put on last time. And then that's what we did last time, but doing it again. And then we've got more to do. We've got to put the hand onto the other piece, or the palm onto the other piece. Was that the other piece? No, it's the back, not the back. The back of the hand onto the other outside piece that we finished a while back. Then we've got to fit the crossbar to that, and then we've got to fit the inner piece to that outer piece and the back of the hand. So yeah, things are definitely coming together. It's going to look quite impressive very soon. I don't know when we're going to put the palm of the hand. Well, we can't put the palm of the hand on until we get all the fingers attached, can we? So yeah, we've got obviously side panels to put on to cover these gaps as well. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. It's coming together. Well, we've got Ultron. Doesn't look like Ultron from the films. A little bit different. It's more like Ultron from the films. Good stuff. And Brian is the person that we're looking at. Widescreen realism. So right, let's clear this out of the way and let's get this big bit of the assembly assembled. Right, so the start of the parts we've got, I say similar to the last one, but a big pile of screws because we're going to be using lots of those. I shall start off using the ones that they got last time, so we've not got loose packets around. They same as well. Yeah, they're all the same. That's what I do quite like about this build. Very few of the screws are any different. So yeah, we've got lots of screws to use. There's going to be loads of them. So I shall get a few out and we'll see what we're doing. This piece is first affixing onto there. So that goes on there like that. That bit covers over the bit from last time down there. And then the 3 screws go in place along there. So that's going to join up just like that. Right, there we go. So we've got 2 screws down there and then the other 3 along there. I shall get a couple of these in, but then get the rest of this done. Behind the scenes, get that one in, let's get that one over here in there as well. So that's that. Finishing off the inside piece. There is a join there, but it's not terribly apparent. So yeah, I'm happy enough with that. So that's that bit. I know it's not done, but it's almost done. Then we need to bring back in from before that bit, and from even earlier before the back of the hand. This is attaching onto there now, or the other way around. One bit's attaching onto the other. So that's going on there. You can see where the shaping sort of matches up. So that is attaching into there with I think about 7 screws. There's a couple of lines of them to attach into there. So let me get that in first, finish off the other bit, and then see where we go from there. Okay, that's that all attached. Actually 10 screws to hold these 2 bits together. Quite impressive. I've dug out the bracket from the stand, which just fits on there. There's a little cutout on either side, and it lines up with this bracket piece here on both sides, and that should push in place just like that, ready for the rod to go up to hold it all together. Obviously on the top of that there is the other piece that I've taken out for now for use, but let's show you how that would be working. That's that piece that the top of the rod sits into, and that goes into these grooves there. I think that way around. Yeah, it's got to be that way around. I think that way around rather than that way around. No, it's probably that way around. Anyway, whichever way around. And that's the bit that goes on that the fingers are held in place by. So that will tell me, in fact, which way around that's got to be. And it's got to be that way around because that's how that fits together. It doesn't actually fit. No, it does. It slides together like that. So that goes in there. That goes in there. And that will hold all the fingers together eventually. But for now, we've got 2 more screws to fit. We've got this piece that we need to line up at the top here and the bottom here. There's 2 slots that falls into place with. Like that. And then these top pieces just slot into place. There's 1 screw there and 1 screw at the other side, which will hold that together. It doesn't really hold the bottom together, but obviously once this side panel and the one on the other side go on, that will hold it all nicely together. So 2 more screws to put in there, and then we'll have a look at the whole thing when I can move it around a little bit more. So it's too big to fit on the bench, but there we go. That is that. It's assembled in there now. This is not, say, attached yet down the bottom, but obviously there's going to be a side panel to go on there and hold that together. And if we roll it over, that's the back of it in all of its glory so far. Again, another side panel to go on this side very soon. But for now, that is that. I think I'm going to start keeping it on the stand, because now that's attached through the middle there. That will quite easily go through, and that top piece will stay to hold that together. So looking good, and very impressive, and very big and heavy, as it should be. The other side of the palm obviously will only go on once all the fingers are attached. I can sort of attach them a little bit now. I'll get some pictures ready. So follow me on my social media for those. But that's it, another issue done. There are 2 more issues in this pack, but one of them was not delivered, and the other one they sent the wrong parts. So this is it for this month. Next month will be a bumper, even more issues. So hang around for that very soon. But for now, that's that. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.